Yeah. Nigga for real, for real. My niggas is real for real. I'm in the field for real. I'm about my check for real. I'm about my respect for real. My diamonds are crystal clear.
Tank. His name is Tank.
His name is Tank?
Boy.
Yeah. He's a lot bigger than him, like taller.
Oh yeah. He's got about the same muscle mass, but he's a little bit taller.
Yeah.
Same head too.
Yeah. Yeah, his brother, man, like it's different. He got the shorter legs, and it's
I've
black.
got his daughter. I've got Tank and I've got his daughter. His
Yeah.
daughter is just a little bit shorter.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a spoiled brat too, man.
I feel like Pitch should.
Yeah, right.
Because they're so like.
He's better than me. Like I'm telling you, like
Yeah.
he's man.
They're so mistaken for what they
Oh
do.
yeah. Yeah, he's a cool dog.
They're beautiful.
No, he got scared. He got scared because of my exhaust.
Yeah, I know. They keep running that thing. Like
Yeah, so he's like, man, what's going on? Like, he's not used to it, you know. He's usually in the house most of the time.
Well, he's a very good dog.
Yeah.
I just love pit bulls. I know.
No, you're fine.
I was like, oh my god, I love pit bulls.
Yeah, you should have bought him. Oh. Say bye, Kato.
Hi, beautiful.
He's like, I want to stay.
I know.
All right, come on, boy.
Head here.
Right? Let's go. Come on, man. I know you're tired, boy. Let's go. Look. Guys, man, so many stuff going on here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Guys, look at that crazy car right there. It looks dope. What the hell was that? Guys, look at that. Great. Hey, come on, man. You over here making me trip, bro. Let's go. Guys, I got some of the craziest cars here. Look at that charge. Nice. Man, tomorrow's gonna be lit, guys. So stay tuned for that. Dope, dope, dope. Look at that. Guys, there's so many damn chargers, man. It's crazy. Get off the car, man. Get off the car. Is that a track car? Oh man, we got a transformer in the building. Yeah, guys. Come here. Got a demon. 9-second SRT. That.
I'll tell you that right now.
Great.
Bailey's hot performances here as well. We've also got Fasty's Garage. Fasty's Garage.
Look at that guy. Yeah, he's a bully. Yeah, he's cool. He might be a little bit scared. Hold on right there. With all that noise going on. So. Yeah. So he's over here trying to pull me like, damn, bro, chill, man.
You don't see him that color.
Nah, it's kind of rare. Yeah, his brother's black.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, most of his sister a little bit lighter, but not too much like him.
Man, that's a beautiful dog. I love dog.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, he's tired as hell. He look like a damn great white shark, huh?
Yeah,
Like a little bull shark. Kato?
bro. Oh man, he beautiful.
Yeah.
He walk like a man too.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go, man. Look at that. Got charged with Hellcat, man. Got the police in the building. Undercover brother. Damn, son. I can't drive 55. That's funny as fuck. I'm telling you guys, more goddamn MOPARs. Cool dog, huh? Say what's up. Yeah, he's been pet a lot of times. He might be a little bit tripped out. Come on, come here. Come here. Yeah, he's a little bit. Come here. Yeah. And all that exhaust noise kind of like freaked him out. Especially when SRT Mush cranked his Yeah, he's a cool dog. Huh? Yeah, he's a little tired right now.
Pretty, man.
Yeah. Say peace out. Say bye. He's like, man, I just want to sit down. I want to lay down, really. Yeah, he's a cool dog. Look at his paws, man. His paws look like a damn tiger and stuff. Yeah, right? Thank you. Let's go, Kato. All right, guys. Looks like we finally made it to the top. Skirt. Look at that wrap in this purple Hellcat. Looking real dope. So you guys, the level we at right now. All right, come on. Come on. Man, they got some crazy MOPARs. I might have missed some, but hey, when there's this too much, you can't miss none. Look at that nice one, Scat Pack. Yeah, just let me come pet him a little bit because he got a little bit freaked out. Come on,
buddy.
Come here. Yeah, he's cool, dog. He's tired. He's like, man, is there an elevator here? Trying to get back to his water. Yeah, he's a little bully.
You little bully.
Huh? Nah, he's yeah, he's like a bully, like kind of mixed with the
bulldog.
yeah. But he got a little bit of both. The height of a bulldog, but kind of yeah. He's definitely got some muscle in him, man. Oh, that's tamales? Oh, are you hungry? Come on, let's go. All right, say bye, Kato. Come on. Guys, look at this crazy. Look at that purple Hellcat. Come on here, let's see what's up. Come on, Kato. Say what's up, say what's up.
What kind of dog is it?
He's a micro bully.
Although it doesn't look like a bully. You want to pet it? He looks like a pet. You can pet him?
Yeah, he's pettable. He just looks like a menace. Come here, boy. Yeah, he's been pet by a lot of people. He's like, man. Probably, the guy's got dogs? Yeah, he probably smells them.
Can you pet him?
Yeah.
He's so cute.
He's like, man, anybody got water?
Oh, that guy's sweet.
His head is really big, man.
Yeah, man, he's a big boy. Yeah, it definitely does.
He's Carter. I never seen him.
Oh, you an Odell Beckham fan? You a Giants fan? Oh, come on, man. A little bit.
Beckham is
All right, guys. This is the first time I've ever seen a guy rocking a New York Giants jersey, and he's not even a fan. Come on, man.
I'm a
Man.
fan of Beckham. I say nothing to him.
Nah, I feel your feelings. Kato. Look at his paws. He's crazy, man. Huh? What was that?
He's wearing a giant jersey in Dallas.
Yeah. I'm a Giants fan. That's what I was asking.
What?
Yeah.
A Titan?
Yeah, I'm a Giants fan.
Oh, I thought you said Titans.
Oh, nah, bro. Hell no. That's not even in my category. I don't even know who they are.
You ready for Saquon?
Yeah. I'm going to the game over here, the second game. Look at Cato, man. It's famous out here in these streets. Yeah, a little bit. Luckily, there's shade in here. You got it? All right, guys. Yep. Look down. Finally made it to the damn top. Hey, let's see what's up, man. Come on. Yeah. Come over here.
Oh, you are so handsome.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah, he's a pretty boy. Come here. I know, man. He's freaking heavy too. Got some muscle in him. Yeah. Probably like 2 years now.
You're so handsome.
Yeah, a little less than a year. No, 2 years. He's like, man, goddamn, where the water at? Yeah, I had to walk him all the way from the bottom to over here. Oh, he's trying to get in. Come on, move, Kato, come on. We got a demon in the building. Well, a couple of them in there, right? What's up, man? Nice colors. All right, guys, see you later. Look at that. Oh, you a Yankees fan? Yeah. Oh, man, that sounded like you wasn't, man. All right, cool, me too. Guys, what's up with these people repping these teams and they're not even a fan of the teams, man? What's going on? Look at that nice Charger. Sponsored by DFW LX. Man, I heard of that. I was supposed to go to one of their meets in Louisville. Look at that. Look, man, we got your brother up there, man. He's driving the car. What are you doing? Look at that. He's on top of the hood too, bro. Man, they got so many dope cars, guys. It looks beautiful out here. The sun shining down like that. Look at that rose gold chrome 300. You see them Vipers out there? Yeah, we're gonna check that out in a minute. Let's come over here. Come on. Look at this green Hemi. Sitting real nice. What's up, man? Say what's up, Gator? Come here. Come here.
The boy?
Yeah.
Where you going?
Yeah, he's trying to sit down in the chair. Oh, that's what it is? Yeah, he's hungry. Kato.
Is it a boy?
Yeah. Kato.
Is he
Yeah.
sweet?
Yeah, he is. He's just a lot of noise from the exhaust.
You are hot.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You want to get whistle at him? Just get a better picture. Yeah, he's tired, man. He had to come like 5 flights up. He's like, golly. Yeah. His name is Kato.
Hey, buddy. Kato.
Yeah.
Kato. Kato.
Say what's up, man? Over there.
There you go. See snow?
Come on.
He's a cutie.
A lot of people have try to pet him, so
Yeah.
he's a little bugged out. Like, hey, what's going on? All
What
right.
happens when you're good looking?
Yeah. All right, Kato, say bye. Come on. He's like, where the Chick-fil-A at, though? Let's go. Let's go check out the cars, man. Man, look at that. Bruh, look at that wrap. They got the bathing ape on the Charger. Nice. Nice, man. Look at that babe scat, man. That's what's up. He did that. He did that for sure. Bro. Come here. You're tripping, bro. Come on. Kato? Yeah. Say hi, Kato. Look at that, guys. Slam charges. I'm telling you, I ain't never seen so many charges and Hellcats. Challenges at the same time. That's crazy. Look at that, 300.
In the sky over 20,000, I keep on Wi-Fi lit. I spend over 5,000, that's just so unfit.